Joules, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful checkerboard rug out of carpet remnants. Ta-da! So you can actually play real chess and checkers on it. How fun! Step 1 is to gather the following supplies. Please pause the page and notice that I've written simple directions with each of the supplies written in capital letters. Okay, so once you tape all the pieces together using 14 long pieces of carpet tape like this, all you have to do is bind the rug around the edges and corners so it's nice and neat. So the point of doing this is because carpet that's unbound starts fraying and you really lose the life of the rug unless you bind it. So I'm just gonna snip, snip. I'll show you how to do the binding. Just get a piece of fabric and cut it about this big, 10 inches or so. I chose this checkerboard print specifically because it's so much easier to fold and roll and know that you're exactly in line. I'm just gonna use safety pins to roll this up and keep it together. Okay, here we go. So just pin it, leave a little space, and roll it up like a fruit roll-up style carpet burrito. Oh my goodness. Once you have your fabric rolled up and safety pinned, it's time to attach it. You want to have an extra reinforcement on the corners because you must avoid vacuum damage. Let me get a close-up to show you exactly how to make this seamless. So, since I've sewn up to here, I would like my corner to be even up to here. So I'm just going to use the carpet shears and quickly snip this part off. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. So remove the first safety pin, give it a nice little fold, roll this part back up, and roll it into the other piece like this. Just kind of tuck it in, wind them together like you're marrying them. As you can see in the back, there's about this much space. Sometimes you get tangled in the webs of the threads, which is why you should not rush through this procedure. Otherwise, you'll have a mess on your hands. Let's make a couple knots. Typical little loops. 1, 2, 3 is a charm. And pull and secure. Stitchery-doo-dah. Here we go. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Push through and make sure it's actually puncturing through the rug itself. And as you turn it, I'll just make sure it just stays even. Oh my goodness, there actually is a baby on my back right now.
1, 2, 3, she's down.
Makes it extra challenging. Make sure this part's nice and rolled up. Oh, thank you. Once you get that secure, that should be oh, thank you. You know, this is the part that the cats really love. Threads, threads, threads. Sometimes you get tangled in the webs of the threads. My goodness. This is typical of everything. Cats, kids, OMG. Cats, kids, OMG. Come on, let me work. It's only both of you. Really? Cats, kids, OMG. Cats, kids, OMG. Oh no. What are you doing? Oh, my thread broke. Oops. Sometimes you get tangled in the webs of the threads. Cats, kids, OMG. Cats, kids, OMG. thread.
No, don't need the thread. I'm working on this.
Okay, so here's the fun part that I completely did not foresee when I started this project. Well, the carpet tape itself has a very strong adhesive. Oh my goodness, I can't push the needle through. So you take needle nose pliers, and in order to not bend the needle in half, which I already did, push it in, and then once the needle comes through, you pull it out. You get better at it. The first time is the most impossible, and you just want to give up. Ow. Oops. Okay, so you kind of want to watch what you're doing, because once again I pricked myself. Oops. Oh my goodness, my needle is coated in glue. Well, that's what Goo Gone's good for. So I take a little baby wipe or paper towel, toilet paper or whatever. I like baby wipe because it lasts longer. Oh my goodness, see, I'm bleeding. Oops. You probably don't want to mix Goo Gone with blood. Do as I say, not as I do.
Oh no, baby.
I love this stuff, but they don't really make it into a nice stand-up bottle. It always falls and spills, and that's probably why they want you to buy more. Honestly, they just need to freaking invent a bottle that stands up. You spilled everything! Oh no, baby! Goo Gone! And that is how to make this huge checkerboard rug that took me nearly 2 years to complete.